Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by selecting an image, sized 1920 x 1080 pixels at 72 dpi for typical desktop displays. Choose JPG or PNG files to keep colors vibrant and file sizes reasonable. Crop the image to a 16:9 ratio for best fit on common displays. Aim for a clear focal point and simple background to keep desktop icons readable. Avoid busy patterns that hide text. Save a backup copy before editing so you can revert to the original image. On Windows, right-click the image and choose Set as Desktop Background to apply it immediately. On Mac OS, open System Preferences and set the wallpaper via Desktop and Screensaver, importing Hike if needed. On Android, open Wallpapers in Settings and select Home, Lock, or both spaces when prompted. Choose the fit option as Fill or Fit to match your display without stretching. Set transition duration to about 15 seconds for smooth slideshow changes if using multiple images. Bundle wallpapers, accent colors, and sounds into a theme and export it as a theme pack on Windows to share or backup. On Mac OS, create a desktop and screensaver collection and store it in iCloud to sync across your Apple devices. Use cloud storage or account sync on Android and Windows to apply the same wallpaper across devices automatically. For multi-monitor setups, match resolutions. For example, 1920 x 1080 with 2560 x.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.